Just a second. Let's look at the current temperatures. We're still holding 71 in McAllen. Everybody else has cooled into the upper 60s at this hour. Tonight, patchy fog will probably be an issue, so especially late tonight. It might take a while for it to thicken up, but it'll be there later. About 59 for a low in Starr County, about 64 Harlingen, Willacy County bottoming out at about 63 tonight. And then tomorrow, look at these highs. It's still February. You look at 92 in the west, 90 McAllen, 86 in Brownsville, the island. The cool spot, 77 degrees there, a little bit breezy as well. Now, as we look at Texas tonight, we notice one system moving away. That's the one that brought the showers, spotty as they were, to the valley early this morning. That is continuing to push away. Here's the system in California. This is a powerful upper level storm system that's digging into Southern California now. It's bringing a lot of rain to the state, but the heaviest stuff in the southern portions of California with just lighter rain up in northern California, where of course they had that dam earlier in the week that had the problems. Let's watch what happens over the next day or so. There's the California storm. Here's the storm in Texas. This one, a weak one, the one that triggered the stuff here. So we're looking to the west at the bigger one now. That dives into Southern California by tomorrow evening, and out ahead of it is where all the action is, all the moisture being pulled from the Pacific right up into the western part of the country. By the time we get to Sunday, that system moves eastward. You kind of see the impact of it. Comes all the way down into Mexico and then lifts back up. Out ahead of it, showers and thunderstorms. Most of the models say if we get anything here, it won't be until late Sunday, like Sunday night. The dynamics are the best around midnight, but you can go a couple of hours ahead of that pretty easily before you see something really get going. So Sunday's still a warm and breezy day. It's nighttime when our best threat for severe stuff is. Now look at 4 a.m. Monday. I mean, you see a big line of severe weather from Houston all the way up to beyond Dallas, and then we're on the southern fringe. That's what this is going to be, one of those things where we have to see how far south things are able to develop. Most of it stays north of us, but doesn't take much. Notice that southern fringe right on top of us. So we're going to watch late Sunday into early Monday. Now, by Monday afternoon, Monday evening, it's gone. The disturbance now centered near Dallas by Monday night. The upper level winds now following those red lines out of the north and northwest. That's a dry flow, so dry air builds in, and then for the rest of next week, we're very dry. That storm system, in the meantime, digs all the way over into South Florida. You don't see them get that far south very often, and that's where that one is headed. The dry air sticks around for us all the way into and through the rest of next week. So our chance is there on Monday, Sunday night into Monday, and that's it. We're dry beyond that all the way into the end of next week. High temperatures, 88 the next couple of days. A little cooler behind that system, but not dramatically so. Then we're back to 87 by the time we get to the end of next week. Quick check of travel weather across Texas in the morning. Temperatures mainly in the 50s by afternoon. Tomorrow, not a big day for rain. The rain's off to the west, so you shouldn't have any travel troubles tomorrow, but keep an eye on things on Sunday if you're traveling anywhere in the state of Texas. So tonight, mainly clear, little fog later on, southeasterly winds, and tomorrow, breezy and more humid after the fog burns off. Southeasterly winds at 12 to 25. Back to 88 again on Sunday, then Sunday night into Monday, that's that rain chance, and after that, we're dry, 83, 85, 89, and 87. Nighttime lows in the 50s for most of next week. That is your updated First Warn 5.